It all started in Lititz, Pennsylvania, with a simple promise: to provide high-quality commercial doors and hardware backed by industry-leading support. That foundation of service remains our North Star today. TEL Manufacturing operates 7 strategic locations across the country. We've positioned our expertise, our inventory, and our team exactly where you need us most, ensuring rapid response and local reliability nationwide. At the heart of our operations is our Houston door manufacturing plant. Here, we combine precision engineering with the scale to meet any challenge, ensuring every door we build is as reliable as the legacy we stand on. Every door tells a story of innovation, of performance that lasts, advanced automation, precision manufacturing, consistent quality every time. Our industry-leading paint line with our ShieldTech paint finish offers moisture resistance and UV stability. Safety drives every decision. For our teams, for the people who rely on TEL. Comprehensive keying services, responsive customer service, real people, real expertise, support you can trust. We are strengthened by long-standing partnerships across the markets we serve, spanning from modular and metal building construction to contract hardware and retail markets. We offer essential commercial door and hardware solutions that support your everyday operations, delivering dependable performance along with world-class support. From our Pennsylvania roots to our nationwide reach, we are your partner in security. TEL Manufacturing, 40 years strong and just getting started.